Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to talk about the most underrated gold mines for stock photographers. This is local festivals right here in my state or your state or anywhere in the world. Whether you are shooting for Shutterstock, Adobe or Point 5, stock or your own portfolio, these events are really packed with color, culture, and real human moments that buyers really love it. So, grab your camera, charge your batteries, and let's explore how to turn your festival in your state into your next batch of high earning stock photo or video. Festivals are really perfect for stock photography because they combine three things buyers crave: authenticity, real people doing really real things, vibrant visuals, color, texture, many decoration, universal themes, community, celebration culture, food, and music. These images sell year-round because they are not tied to a single holiday. A shoot of farmers handling over fresh produce works for ads about health, sustainability, small business, or tourism. A musician performing on a small stage can be used for art programs, even event promotion or lifestyle blogs. So let's talk about picking the right event in your state, because this is very important part. I really personally love visit something like art festivals in my state or the Pavlov Indian Festival or a boat show. Both festivals have something different, but in every one I always find something what is really great and usable for my stock photography. When choosing a festival, look for diverse activities like food, craft, and performing, strong cultural elements with many traditional clothing, rituals, and dances, or vendors and artisans great for lifestyle, small business times, family-friendly environments, parents, kids, multi-generational groups. This everything is really great opportunity for stock photographer or videographer. The more variety, the more saleable images you will walk away with in your camera or card. Let's break down the must-have shoots. Food sells always. Capture vendors preparing dishes, customers ordering hands, exchanging money, and close-ups of colorful ingredients. This is everything what is really great sellable stock images or video. Musician, dancer, drummers, storytellers, these are a high energy, high emotion moments. It is also very great and popular. Shoot wider context and tight for emotion. Look for patterns, textiles, instruments, I don't know, handmade crafts, depends on festival, traditional clothing. These detail shoots are really evergreen and often used in educational materials. Parents lifting kids, grandparents watching performance groups, these are powerful lifestyle images. Just remember, you will need model release for any recognizable faces. This is really very important. Don't forget the big picture. Capture the festival layout, Sagnage, tents, and crowds. These work great for tourism and event promotions. Before you start firing off shoots, let's talk about the ethic. Festivals are a publics, not everyone but someone, but people still deserve respect. Always ask before photographing vendors, up close. It's really important. If someone is the main subject, get a model release. If the person will agree with you, avoid photographing children without explicit permission from parents. It's really very bad if you don't have permit, and you can be in big trouble. Be mindful of cultural or spiritual ceremonies. Some moments shall not be photographed. I know this happens always when I shoot Pavo. Some scene cannot be photographed or filmed. Being respectful not only protects you legally, it builds really trust, and trust leads to better photo. When you get home, keep your edits clean and natural. Festivals are already colorful. You don't have to be really crazy with editing. You don't need to overdo it. It is not helpful. Then come the most important part, the keywording. Use terms like your state name festival, local event, community, celebration, cultural performance, farmers market, street fair. This is very important keywording, because somebody, if he's looking for something from your state, he will find this way. The right keywords make your photo more discoverable and, of course, profitable. And this is your guide to turning festivals into stock photography gold. And that's it. This is your guide to turning festivals into stock photography gold. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more photography tips, and drop some comments about your favorite festivals and what you are shooting on the festival. My favorite, have I already mentioned, it's definitely the povo dancing and boat show and the art festival right here in my city, because it is everyone. It's not really far away for me. This means it's very, very comfortable for me for visiting. And for the someone I have to travel, but definitely I love any spring or summer festivals, because it is really the best opportunity how to make many images or video footage in one day from one event. Definitely you will need images like that in your portfolio if you want to be pretty stable in this today's market with stock photography. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will be back soon for you with some other ideas. And have a wonderful day and stay warm. We have still cold here, and other small snowstorm it's coming, but nothing big. It's probably maybe 2 inches snow, what is really nothing compared to what we have before. Thank you and take care.